Okay guys, so I'll teach you this on how to restore the black paint of this speaker stand. Okay, so we're gonna be painting it with like a damp water. We don't put water on the speaker, only on the box. You can see it's putting the gray color back. So you can see here is the color. It's becoming more black, but that's not paint. It's just we're just wiping off the excess dirt or dust from the speakers. You can see it's really effective to use this kind of method in cleaning. As you can see, even at the side, see, you just need to use damp cloth with not really wet, but you can see it's really damp. As you can see, we're already restoring its original color. So it's black finish. You can see at the side, you can see it's gray and it will become black. See that? It's really a good restoration, guys.